In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google AdSense into your Shopify store. This is a fantastic way to start monetizing your website by displaying relevant ads to your visitors. To begin, we'll first need to navigate to Google AdSense. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google AdSense website. Once you're there, log in using your existing account credentials. If you haven't been to your AdSense account in a while, you might notice some updates or changes in the dashboard, but don't worry, the core steps remain the same. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be directing your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Look for a tab that says Ads. Go ahead and click that to view your ads setup options. After you've clicked on Ads, your next task is to get the code necessary for placing ads on your Shopify store. You should see an option to get the code, so click on that and then simply copy the link provided. It's a good idea to double-check that you've copied the entire link without missing any characters, as this is essential for ensuring the ads function properly on your site. Now, let's transition over to Shopify. Open a new tab and log into your Shopify account. Once you're inside Shopify, direct yourself to the Online Store option and, subsequently, the Themes section. Here is where all the design magic happens for your store. You should be able to see a section to customize your theme. We'll need to navigate to this area to decide where exactly we want Google Ads to appear on our site. You have free reign to choose the spot that's best for your store, whether it's on the home page, within specific product pages, or somewhere else. After selecting your desired location, you'll need to add a new section. This can be done by clicking on Add Section, followed by selecting Custom Liquid. This option allows you to insert not only plain text, but also code directly into your theme. With the Custom Liquid window open, you're ready to paste that AdSense link you copied earlier. Carefully paste the link into the Liquid code area. Once your code is pasted and everything looks in place, make sure to save your changes. This is a crucial step to ensure that all the changes take effect and are properly displayed when customers visit your store. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've just integrated Google AdSense into your Shopify store effectively. Remember, you can always tweak the location of your ads and check back on AdSense for performance metrics and further adjustments. This dynamic advertising feature is essential for generating passive income as your site traffic grows. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out other tutorials for more Shopify and web integration tips.